Hello friends, welcome to Reasoning and Computer online classes. So friends, today in this video we will discuss about NEET 2020 expected cutoff for Kerala state. So friends, we will discuss about AIQ quota as well as the state quota. So in all these quota we will also discuss about category wise cutoff. So I have done lot of analysis on the Kerala state, that how many colleges are available there, what can be the cutoff for each and every category, either it is SC, ST, SC, BC and state reservations category, how much percent of reservation exists for the state quota and what percent exists for the AIQ quota, and these kind of things we are going to discuss in this video. So students who are interested to doing MBBS in Kerala state, this video is gonna very important for them. So I would request those guys to stay on this video and watch this video completely. This video will help them not only getting the college, but also this video will also help them to get the counseling process very smoothly. So friends, without wasting our time, we will first do our analysis, that how many seats are there and how many categories are there, and after that we will discuss the cutoffs. So let's go on the category wise and what are the seats available in the Kerala state. So friends, for the Kerala state, I have collected all the required data and I have made this PDF for you, so that in one PDF all the information will be available in front of you. So guys, as you know, in NEET 2020 we are going to discuss the expected cutoff. So we know that there is 15% reservation for AIQ quota, and for state quota there is 85% reservation. So total number of seats in Kerala states are around 1400, means I have taken this approximation. So 1400 is total number of seats in Kerala state, and these seats will get distributed in AIQ quota as well as in a state quota. So in AIQ quota these seats will go as 15%, and for and in state quota these seats go as the 85%. So guys, in Kerala since there is a state reservation, so in Kerala I have also categorized different category, that in out of these 1400 seats and out of these 1400 seats in state quota there are 85% reservation. In that particular thing I have also categorized the reservation categories, that how many category exist and what are the percentage of seat allocations on them. So guys, you can see in this PDF also that for the state merit there is 60% reservation, for SCBC 30% reservation. SCBC means social economic backward classes, that is called the SCBC classes. So for that category reservation is 30%, for SC category reservation is 8%, and for ST category guys reservation is 2%. So this total will come as the 100%. So this is the category wise reservation available in the Kerala state. So guys, before coming on the exact cutoff, I have taken my analysis on this, that I have compared this particular analysis with the previous year cutoffs of 2019. I have seen how many applicants applied in Kerala state in 2019 and how many has applied in 2020. So these are the factors which will affect the cutoff of Kerala state in 2020. So we can see the first thing I have taken down in this consideration is number of applicant in Kerala state as compared to previous year. The second analysis I have taken here is the paper difficulty level. So what was the level of the paper in this year as compared to last year? So I would like to tell you that the paper level was similar as it was available in 2019. So there was no such kind of scenario that 2019 paper was tough or 2020 paper were tough. Both paper were in the same level. Factor number 3, that comes in the student preparation in COVID-19 situation. So that comes that in COVID-19, do you know that everywhere in India there was lockdown. So due to this particular thing, students got a lot of time at home to do the preparation. So this factor can also affect the cutoff of NEET. And the fourth thing, the new college opening. So there are some states where new college has been opened. So these are kind of things which I have taken in cutoff consideration, guys. So let's come on the cutoff. So after getting these kind of factors which may affect the cutoff, I have came on the conclusion by reading the comments of the students in state quota. So first I will talk about the state quota, that is 85% for the Kerala state, guys. So I can see that for the state quota, so the first category that comes in this particular where 60% were existing. So that comes cutoff can go around 560 marks, 560 plus marks. For SEBC, that is social economic backward classes, cutoff can go around 535 plus marks. Means a candidate who is getting 535 marks in SEBC, that candidate can be considered in the safe zone for getting MBBS government college. For SC category, the cutoff estimated cutoff is 425 marks, and for the ST category guys, the cutoff is around 405 marks. So these are the expected cutoff for the Kerala state in 85% state quota, which I have taken this particular thing. I have read all you guys comment, and I have collected all this information in this video so that we can determine the expected cutoff. So these are the expected cutoff which can come in 2020. And if we talk about the AIQ quota, then guys I would like to tell you, for the AIQ students, if you are getting marks more than 600 plus, then there is a chance to get the seat in MBBS for AIQ quota in Kerala state. Otherwise there will be a lot of difficulty for this one. So AIQ quota is cutoff gonna be high, but in the state quota, the candidate who is getting around 560 plus marks, that is the best candidate will be in the safest zone. The candidate for SEBC category who is getting 535 marks plus marks, that can be considered in the safe zone. For SC category, the marks categorized I have done is 425 marks, and for ST category I have done as 4055 marks. So guys, I would like to tell you that in 2019 I have done this kind of analysis, and that came as the exact cutoff which came in 2019. So I would like to suggest you guys to that you should consider all these factors, and this will help you in the finalizing the government college. In the next video I will make a new video where I will show you the category wise cutoff for each and every college, that what can be the cutoff for each and every college in Kerala, and college wise cutoff. So there may be a chance that you will get the complete information in one video. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. All the best for results.